Assalamu alaikum. Today I'm going to be making kunafa. It's a Middle Eastern dessert. It's the first time I'm making it, so I'm not sure how it's going to come out. Here we have the ingredients that you need to make the kunafa. So we have sugar, we have crushed pistachio, we have mozzarella cheese, a mixing bowl, and we have vermicelli, and we have lemon juice, baking tray, butter, and this cheese. What's this cheese called? Ricotta cheese. So that's 2 tablespoons of butter, 1 tablespoon of ricotta cheese. Okay, so first, Bismillah, Rahim. First, you'll need to pound the vermicelli really fine. Okay, so that's pounded. That's done now. Of butter. Okay, so our first layer, you're going to bake it into these bowls. So you need that's the first layer. Press it firmly. Okay, so that's your ricotta cheese. Okay, so now you add the mozzarella. Let's put it on first, then we'll press it later. Equal amounts. Okay, so that's the mozzarella done. Now we're going to put the final layer, the vermicelli. So that's 1 lot. That's 2. And that's 3. These are all done now. We just need to put it in the oven for about 30 minutes. Okay, so I'm now going to put this into the oven for 15 minutes. That goes in there. 15 minutes. Okay, so here for the sugar syrup, there's 1 cup of water. We let that boil, and we're going to add half cup of sugar. Okay, so that's half cup of sugar and a cup of water. Make this into a syrup. We're just going to add 1/4 teaspoon of lemon juice. Okay, so it's still baking. Make sure when you put your balls into the oven that they are oven proof, so they don't crack. I mean, we want cracking kunafa, but we don't want cracking plates. The sugar syrup is now done, so I'm going to take the gas off. Let's take this out. It's done. Okay, so that's the kunafa taken out. Now what we're going to do is add the syrup. Add about 3 tablespoons. And garnish it. Thank you for watching our channel, and please do subscribe and share the video. Your subscription means a lot to us. It gives us the aim to make more videos. Till next time, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.